Distributing thousands of dollars worth of tokens to its users with an airdrop, the DYDX platform has left its mark on the crypto ecosystem. We can say, the DYDX exchange is a platform designed with a community-run model and simple interface. DYDX token, which is the same name as the platform, has a different vote counting mechanism than other governance tokens. With the smart contract types it is developed, it is an advantage that it is in a technologically strong position. In this video, we will answer the questions of what is DYDX coin and how to use the platform. In the first part of our video, we will examine the DYDX platform and exchange. In the second part, we will talk about the DYDX token and analyze its graph. Before moving on to the video, you can support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. The founder of the project, Antonio Giuliano, is a successful name who has worked as a software engineer at global institutions such as Coinbase and Uber. There is a search engine called Waypoint, which he developed and founded for the decentralized internet. I think his experience in both software engineering and entrepreneurship is valuable. DYDX is compatible to work with any Ethereum-based and decentralized exchange. In parallel, it is a feature of the platform that it creates an environment of trust for margin trading thanks to the smart contract developed on Ethereum. 6 smart contracts have been developed to support the platform. Thus, an environment of trust is ensured thanks to smart contracts with different functions. DYDX platform has a simple interface. There are parts such as voting, management, staking and trading within the platform. It seems that it is possible to access all parts of the menu easily. DYDX Exchange offers multi-wallet support, and it should be noted that these wallets include frequently preferred digital wallets such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet and Trust. After matching the digital wallet you use, you can participate in staking and management. Staking, that is, earning income by locking tokens, is very simple. Users can enjoy staking rewards by locking the USDC stablecoin or DYDX token. Finally, let's also mention that there is an award called the Trading Award. Thanks to the Trading Award, they can earn rewards as a result of their transactions on the DYDX exchange every 28 days. It takes a very short time to become a member of the exchange, which is a Layer 2 solution. For now, 23 different altcoins appear to be open for trading on the platform. Considering the momentum gained by DYDX, it seems likely that this number will increase. There is a view that we are used to from other exchanges. Along with withdrawals and deposits, the column where you can select token pairs is on the far left. The right side is divided into columns as a trading book. You can easily switch between transaction types through the menu that combines spot and margin trading. The platform has highlighted the use of DAI and USDC. In fact, for users who do not trust USDT transactions, it is stated on the platform's site that BTC United States dollar futures are realized on USDC stable crypto money. It has attracted a lot of attention recently, with major exchanges such as Binance and OKEx listing DYDX. This token is the governance token of the DYDX platform, which is currently ranked number 1 among decentralized exchanges. Users who own this token can have the right to vote on the DYDX exchange. Now let's take a look at the graph. Looking at the chart, we see very high volume. Friends, the biggest factor in the rise of a cryptocurrency is volume. A token with a low volume cannot make big rises. The volume of DYDX is really high right now. This indicates that the uptrend may continue. If there is a decline, I have marked the places to buy. You can buy from these regions gradually. Of course, it can continue to rise before it comes to these regions, but it is very risky to buy a very high coin from the top, and I do not recommend it to you. It would be more true to buy while falling rather than rising. You can reliably and easily buy DYDX token on Binance Exchange. If you have not registered with Binance before, you can click on the link in the description of the video to register with a 10% commission discount. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.